Today's defense highlights. Keltron bags three major defense contracts set to achieve Rs 1,000 crore turnover. L&T partners with Clean Core Thorium Energy for nuclear power. ATL breaks ground in satellite integration of ISRO. Government selects SAIL two consortiums for pilot projects for using hydrogen in steelmaking. Jindal Group in talks to acquire Czech-based Vitkovice Steel for €150 million. INS Trikand and Dornier Maritime patrol aircraft participate in Indo-Oman bilateral naval exercise Naseem-Al-Bahr with the Royal Navy of Oman, vessel Seeb of Goa from 13th to 18th October. GRSE bags orders worth Rs 491 crores from Defense Ministry. Kakinada San Marine offers logistic support for US Navy's missile destroyer in Malabar 2024. India offers to co-develop advanced weapon systems with Philippines to counter Chinese assertiveness in South China Sea. Indian Army tests 50 plus new technologies in Swavalamban Shakti exercise to prepare for future warfare. UP Police awards SMG contract to Winbailey Systems. BAE Systems, Bofors and Swedish Defence Materiel Administration sign agreement for Tridon Mark II development. And AeroVironment introduces P550 Advanced Autonomous Group 2 eVTOL Uncrewed Aircraft System UAS. The news in detail. Keltron has bagged three major defense orders and set to accomplish its long-term goal of reaching a turnover of 1,000 crore rupees in this fiscal year. Keltron got orders from the Naval Science and Technological Laboratory, Visakhapatnam, for the manufacture of the Flight-in-Air Mechanism module, from BDL for India's first indigenously developed NPOL-designed torpedo power amplifier, and from Rekis Marine Private Limited, a startup chosen by the Navy to build an autonomous underwater vessel for the manufacture of the bow and flank arrays. Keltron is taking decisive steps forward under the state government's policy to build an electronics ecosystem in Kerala. Attingal Keltron Knowledge Center has already commenced operations as part of the plan to set up two job-oriented skill development centers in Thiruvananthapuram. The second knowledge center at Kazakutam will start functioning soon. Larsen & Toubro and US-based nuclear fuel company Clean Core Thorium Energy (CCTE) have signed a memorandum of understanding to provide efficient solutions in clean energy globally. Through the partnership, L&T and CCTE aim to accelerate nuclear power deployment globally, particularly in developing countries that require large amounts of carbon-free electricity for their growth. The anneal fuel is made of thorium and enriched uranium developed for use in pressurized heavy water reactors and Canada deuterium uranium reactors and advanced nuclear reactors. Proliferation resistant anneal fuel is expected to significantly reduce life cycle operating costs and the waste produced by over 85% while improving safety due to its accident tolerant fuel characteristics. Ananth Technologies Private Limited has made history by successfully integrating two 400 kilo satellites for the ISRO. This is the first time ISRO has awarded such a significant project to a private sector partner, marking a pivotal moment in India's space industry. The satellites were assembled, integrated, and tested at ATL's cutting edge facility in Bangalore's KIADB Aerospace Park. The 10,000 square meter facility can handle the integration of up to four large satellites at once, positioning ATL as a leader in advanced space technology. The project, involving over 100 engineers and technicians, represents the most complex satellite integration undertaken by a private Indian company to date. The government has sanctioned three pilot projects for using hydrogen in steel production to SAIL and two consortiums. A financial support of 347 crore rupees will be made available from the government for the pilot projects, which are likely to be commissioned in the next 3 years. Matrix Gas and Renewables Limited, a consortium of Gensol Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology Bhubaneswar, and Mestol AB Sweden, has been selected for a pilot plant of 50 tons per day capacity. Simplex Castings is another consortium selected for the 40 TPD pilot project. Its members include BSBK Private Limited, 10-8 Investment, and IIT Bhilai. State-owned Steel Authority of India, Ranchi, has also been selected for a pilot project of 3,200 TPD. The proposals were invited for three components: a pilot project to produce directly reduced iron using 100% hydrogen using a vertical shaft, the use of hydrogen in a blast furnace to reduce coal consumption, and the injection of hydrogen in vertical shaft based DRI making unit. Jindal Group is in talks with Vitkovice Steel to acquire 100% stake in the Czech-based company. The group is expected to complete the acquisition by the end of this fiscal year through its arm Jindal Steel International. It will be Jindal Group's first acquisition in Europe. The Naveen Jindal owned business house already has significant presence in geographies like Australia, Mozambique, and Oman in sectors such as steel, power, and mining. As per sources, the deal size could be of about 150 million euros. The group is also setting up a hydrogen based steel manufacturing unit through its arm Vulcan Green Steel in Oman. GRSE has received letters of intent of award for a contract worth 491 crore rupees from the Naval Physical and Oceanographic Laboratory, Kochi. The contract is for design, development, construction, integration of equipment, testing, certification, commissioning, and supply of one acoustic research ship ARS. The project has to be executed within a period of 36 months. San Marine, a renowned Kakinada-based shipbuilding company and marine service provider, played a major role by successfully offering comprehensive logistic support to the U.S. Navy's warship and guided missile destroyer USS Dewey during the joint naval exercise Malabar 24 on the east coast. The joint naval exercise concluded on 18th of October at Vishakhapatnam. According to San Marine Chief Executive Officer Sheikh Ahmed Ali Shah, beginning from the dock to the departure of the U.S. missile destroyer USS Dewey, seamless operations offering everything from restocking provisions to managing technical and on-ground support requirements has been undertaken. Based in Kakinada, San Marine has been engaged in shipbuilding and marine services for over 15 years of experience in shipbuilding and marine services. San Marine has also offered its logistic support in the Malabar exercise held in 2017. In a move aimed at bolstering defense ties and countering China's growing assertiveness in the South China Sea, India has offered to co-develop advanced weapon systems with Philippines. This significant development comes amidst heightened tensions in the Indo-Pacific regions and reflects a growing strategic convergence between the two countries. The offer encompasses a wide range of potential collaborations, including the co-development of BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. Building upon the recent sale of the BrahMos to the Philippines, India proposes joint development of future variants, potentially with longer ranges or ship-launched capabilities tailored to Philippines' specific maritime defense needs. The Akash surface-to-air missile system. This indigenous air defense system could be enhanced with extended range or integrated with Philippines' existing defense architecture, providing a robust layered defense against aerial threats. The Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher platform could be adapted to Philippines' terrain and operational requirements, including the development of guided rocket variants for increased precision. The light combat aircraft Tejas, developed indigenously, presents a cost-effective option for Philippines to modernize its air force and potentially establish a domestic aerospace industry. Advanced torpedo systems, given the given the Philippines' maritime security focus, co-development of torpedo systems optimized for coastal defense and anti-submarine warfare could significantly enhance its naval capabilities. The armored vehicles and infantry fighting vehicles could be leveraged to create vehicles tailored to the diverse terrains of Philippines, bolstering its ground forces. This collaborative approach not only provides Philippines with access to advanced defense technologies but also fosters self-reliance through technology transfer and indigenous production capabilities. Philippines has welcomed the proposal and expressed interest in long-term equity partnership with Indian defense companies to ensure secure supply chains. The Southern Command has launched a major military exercise, Swavalambam Shakti, at the Babina field firing ranges near Jhansi. The exercise focuses on integrating cutting edge technologies into Army's offensive strategies to ensure combat readiness for future warfare scenarios. Over 50 new technology equipments from more than 40 Indian industry partners, including DRDO labs and emerging defense startups, are being showcased and evaluated. The exercise aims to identify and prioritize critical technologies for future development and procurement. The exercise is testing a wide range of advanced systems including swarm drones, kamikaze drones, logistic swarm drones, handheld drone jammers, software-defined radio-based mobile ad hoc network systems, robotic mules, all-terrain vehicles, light armored multipurpose vehicles, guided precision aerial delivery systems, laser-based communication systems, directed energy weapons, and indigenously developed long endurance UAVs. The UP Police has awarded a contract for 1,228 units of the CZ Scorpion Evo 3A1 submachine gun to Winwelly Automated Systems for around 87 crore rupees. The CZ Scorpion Evo 3A1 is known for its reliability, compact design, and modularity, making it suitable for counter-terrorism and urban warfare. The indigenous ASME 9mm machine pistol by AWEIL was the second lowest bidder but was not selected due to a slightly higher price. Winwelly Automated System, a Bangalore-based defense company, secured the contract, marking its entry into the small arms procurement space. In the global news, BAE Systems and the Swedish Defence Materiel Administration signed a letter of intent to jointly develop the Tridon Mark II ground-based air defense system. The agreement signifies a crucial step forward in enhancing Sweden's air defense capabilities, particularly against the growing threat of drones and other airborne threats. The Trident Mark II is a cutting-edge 40 anti-aircraft system designed to counter a wide range of airborne and ground-based threats, including drones, cruise missiles, and aircrafts. This modern system, which was first unveiled by BAE Systems Bofors at the Eurosatory Defense Exhibition in June 24, offers a comprehensive solution for both military and civilian infrastructure protection. The system's modular design allows it to be mounted on various mobile or stationary platforms, providing exceptional flexibility for different operational environments. AeroVironment has introduced the P550 Advanced Autonomous Group 2 eVTOL uncrewed aircraft system, designed to set a new standard for battlefield adaptability and operational readiness. Leveraging a modular open system approach and AI-driven autonomy, P550 is engineered to empower maneuver forces to quickly respond to evolving mission demands with rapid deployment, scalability, and superior situational awareness. P550's all-electric powertrain provides flight endurance of over 5 hours and a multi-sensor payload capacity of up to 15 pounds. This endurance and payload capability deliver critical intelligence gathering, precision targeting, and force protection in dynamic and contested environments. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoy the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.